Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Land Rover Discovery Sport. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Click phone. No phone connected. Connect to device now, yes. Search for Bluetooth devices. Discovery Sport is searching. Discovery Sport there. So it's brought up Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, yes. Generated a random code, does it match? 212135, yes. Does this passkey match? Select on the dash, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. And there you see it's connected on the phone. Discovery Sport connected.